Hi everyone, today we're just going to make a quick supper. We made some just roasted veggies, a biscuit, and some creamy ranch chicken. How awesome is that? So I'm going to show you how to make this easy creamy ranch chicken. 20 minutes in your Instapot and dinner is served. So stay tuned. Add a cup of broth. I just used a cup of water and a bouillon cube into the pot. Now add a pound of chicken breast. I'm putting three small size in. A packet of ranch powder seasoning, any brand. Sprinkle it on top of the chicken like it's a seasoning, evenly over top of all of the chicken. Now you're gonna add 8 ounces of cream cheese. There we go, cream cheese. There we go, just place it on top. 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you're just gonna close the lid. Pressure cook, 20 minutes, start. All done. Ooh, steam. That's what it looks like. We're gonna add some shredded cheese on top. All right, so it's shredded. You can take shredded. It's cooked, so you can take 2 forks and just shred this all up. Okay, so I'm just going to take a ladle of the sauce. This is a small ladle. Just want a little bit, just enough to mix the cornstarch with. A generous tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix that in. Turn on your Instapot to saute. I'm gonna pour this in. Give it a stir. And as it sautés, it's going to thicken. It's getting really thick now. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, now I got some frozen peas. This is still piping hot. I just took it off the Instapot. I'm gonna throw in some peas in there. Because I like it. There. Now those are frozen peas, so those are just gonna thaw in there and they'll just cook in the residual heat. Now we'll be back with the plating, I promise. So this is how we're gonna serve it. I've got a biscuit here that I've just cut in half. I'm gonna take a scoop of the chicken, the creamy chicken. Just gonna put it on top. Just like that. And there we have it. That's how we're gonna serve it. So good.